Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be show you how to fix SIM not spotted on iPhone. So guys, if you are facing this problem, so in this video I'm gonna be show you how can you fix this problem. So guys, let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to just simply restart your device for one time. Sometime a simple restart can resolve many issues. So guys, you have to just simply open settings, and from here guys scroll to below, then here tap on general, and from here guys scroll to below, then tap on shutdown and shut down your iPhone to 20 to 30 seconds, and after that open your device and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then move on to the next step. Simply open settings, scroll to below, then tap on general, then tap on software update and make sure that you are using the updated version of your iPhone. If you don't have updated version, then simply update your iPhone and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then you have to just simply close this page and drag down your control center, and from here guys enable the aeroplane mode 2 or 3 times, and after that turn it off and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then you have to just simply open setting again, tap on journal, and from here guys scroll to below, then here you can see guys transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset network settings and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then you have to just simply close this page, and after that take out your SIM card from the phone and clean your SIM card and insert it again and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then you have to just simply contact your network provider. So guys, simply contact to your network provider and they will try to fix your problem. So guys, in this way you can fix your problem. So that's it for today guys, hope this video helped you. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.